I think time for the moment where we see this gun in action. So let's get this thing fired up.
All right. You're up.
Mark, it's been a pleasure meeting you, and I think it's amazing what you're doing, bringing science to life and inspiring kids, so thank you so much.
All right, it's my pleasure.
Thanks also to the Guinness World Records for arranging this interview, and be sure to check out the new 2017 Guinness World Records book for many more amazing records and feats like Mark's. Hope you enjoyed this video.